going on, everybody? Supreme Family Garden here, and today we have a very exciting video for you guys. Okay, first off, oh honey, you know I'm gonna take this shovel and I'm gonna dig me a real big hole, so when you bother me, I'm gonna have the best compost. I'm just playing. Anyway, guys, honey, if you can turn the camera this way, just showing you guys what we've been up to today. I'm mulching all of the trees. Okay. Now what I do is I let my mulch sit a few months, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months, give or take, depending on how I'm actually feeling, to be honest. And now they're starting to break down, so I'm trying to just add a little bit of life to those trees that we have down there, which is I think an apple, different, it's like 3 or 4 different varieties of apple trees that I have there. I'll show you that on a different video. The reason we're bringing you guys here today is because I got an awesome gift for one of my friends, don't want to say subscribers, but so you guys can understand. And they actually mailed me a gift card for Lowe's, and he was specific on what he wanted me to purchase because he wants to watch the growth of a tree, and he wants me to name the tree, but not right now, okay? So again, my brother, I know you're watching this video, and thank you very much. A Barbados Cherry Tree. Now we do have a few of these on the property, and plus he didn't want me to say his name. And but hey man, thanks a lot, man. This gift means a lot, okay? And picked out the best one that I could find in the store. This one is blossoming, a lot of cherries on it. Through the shipping of me getting it home 20-30 minutes out here, it still held a lot of its cherries. And I say that to say this, you know, he admired my honesty on my channel, and he said I deserve it. You think I deserved it, baby?
Sure do.
Oh, you didn't say that like you really meant it. Okay, but anyway, guys, this is how to get a free Barbados cherry tree. It's just, I guess, be nice. All right, guys, I know I wasn't supposed to, I said it wrong earlier. My friend, he wanted to stay anonymous. He didn't want me to give out his name, but the tree that he wanted me to actually purchase was a Barbados cherry tree, okay? Because where he's from, he can't grow these, and he says he thinks that I can do wonders with it. Oh, guys, let me show you this. Come here, Kingston. Oh, this is my blue tri-French bulldog. This is my main man right here. There's a girl dog in heat, so he really don't want me to bother with him today. He's trying to enjoy his Sunday evening. He's trying to be a scam. Isn't that right, boy? You trying to work on something in it. But all right, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Supreme Family Garden here. May God bless each and every one of you again, okay? Peace. Oh, peace and blessings. Not just peace, peace and blessings. You know, I want you all to have peace, but be blessed at the same time. If you guys went to church today, hope you had a good time. Hope you are filled with the Holy Spirit. All right.
Like that.